You good on change?
Uh-oh. You pay something? I hope it works.
All right. Hey, y'all. It is Monday. And right now I'm on my way to the storage because I have to get um, the light bulb at the snack machine, the light blue. And I have the same machine at the storage, so I'm just going to take that bulb out for right now and put it in there because I am not 100% sure, but I think I have to upgrade the lighting. I don't know if they sell those light bulbs anymore, fluorescent. I'll probably have to upgrade to the LED. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure that out. So that's something that I have to do now. Is that the bulbs are not manufactured anymore. They don't make those anymore. It's the one, but in order to put the light bulb, sorry, my nose is running. In order to put those bulbs in, you have to update the whole like lighting. I don't know what it's called. You have to update the thing that the light goes in into the machine, whatever that is. I saw this guy doing it and he was cutting wires and twisting. I was like, no, okay, that's gonna take a minute. And I have to be somewhere at 9 o'clock. Oh boy. Let me open the gate. And it's getting cold. And I think I have to uh, set up the generator. I think there's a certain way you have to store the generator in the wintertime. So I have to look into that as well. So I have a lot to do. All right, let me grab this bulb. Try not to break it. All right, got it. I'm gonna go in here and change this light bulb. Alrighty. Morning, Will. Good. How's everything? You good on change?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Alrighty. You're welcome. The light is out there. Pretty dark in there. Yes, I'm gonna put the bulb in there. Should have brought my flashlight.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You pay something? Oh, the light bulb, huh?
Yeah.
I hope it works. There it goes.
Alright, so we're back. Alright, now I gotta work on that.
Oh, look at that. Oh.
Alright. Got some stuff to do. Change the price on that.